I myself Pragathi C S. I am from Asan, Karnataka. I completed my degree in Government Engineering College, Nagar, in the stream of Computer Science Engineering, and I joined the JSPIDERS and learned the Java full stack development. Like, they are helping me a lot to get placed in. As a trainee, I got placed in that company, and I learned a lot. I learned core Java, SQL, and aptitude that helped me a lot in crack my interview. Like, I attended so many mock interviews to crack the interview that build my confidence to attend the interviews. Like, I am thankful for HR Chaitra ma'am. So she helped me a lot by giving requirements weekly, daily. So I attended the interviews, and by attending, I that gave me a chance to crack the interview. And I'm thankful for all the trainers and thankful for JSPIDERS. Thank you.